coronavirus got DC on the 80s again. Except without the crap. There ain't no traffic. I went from Silver Spring to Reston in 21 minutes. Where they do that at? DC in the 80s. And I got to wear my Corona mask without police incident, which is nothing like the 80s at all. I still love waving at cops, but no traffic, while this mask was well up around my eyes. I was like, but, much like the 80s, it's like 5 places open, and all of them closed at 8 o'clock. A lot like the 80s. I'm still trying to grow facial hair that's not quite working out. Also like the 80s, Metro closes early and it doesn't go everywhere. And a lot like the 80s, when was the last time you heard a car horn? Nobody beeping their horns no more, nobody's in a rush. I kind of like that part, but I got over the Northeast and it was like the 80s without the crack rocks. Instead of like little white rocks everywhere, it was a lot of golden retrievers. I don't know. Gentrification is real. But in honor of the 80s in Washington, D.C., we are going to make some Washington apples. We're going to do it new school with an apple pucker, and then we're going to go old school the way we used to make apple pucker before apple pucker became a mainstay on bar shelves. So traditionally, you use apple pucker, Crown Royal whiskey, and cranberry juice. But old school, we're going to use peach schnapps and a melon liqueur with some sour mix to recreate the apple that goes in this drink. You with me? Let's get started. All right. So, making 2 drinks, 2 mixing glasses, ice, and both of your mixing glasses. One's gonna be a martini, and then old school, we're gonna put it in a little sexy mini hurricane glass or snifter, but that just represents DC. If you walk around like this, say stuff like, stop it, Joe, stop it, Joe. Anyway, so they're both gonna get 2 ounces of Crown Royal whiskey. This one gets an ounce of the apple pucker and an ounce of cranberry juice. And then over here, we're gonna get a ½ ounce each of the peach schnapps and melon liqueur with a ½ ounce of the sour mix. Make it turn into an apple. Finish it off with a ½ ounce cranberry juice. Just like any part of bartending is my favorite part. We almost down to the wire. We're gonna garnish this one traditionally with a little apple slice. And over here, we're gonna do a little flag situation with a cherry and an apple. Time to shake it up. Dance to some go-go. Hey Google, turn the volume up. Oh, love this city, man. Even with all the golden retrievers in it. That is beautiful, Chuck. Tell him. Yeah, shorty, the Washington apple. And the old school apple. Diggity eggy. Boom boom snaggy.